Hey traders! Welcome to this daily chart analysis and deep dive into the near-term opportunities in Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN. Let's begin with a look at the chart. Long-term players in Ocugen are fully aware the stock has been pinned down and in a holding pattern for some time. However, there is reason for hope that the next breakout event is on the horizon. After its dramatic move from 140 on January 27 to 1877 on February 8, Ocugen entered a falling wedge that hit a 524 low on April 20. It then jumped again to 1365 on April 23, and extended that move to 1620 on May 3. It subsequently formed another falling wedge, very similar to the previous one. However, this most recent wedge has maintained a flat line after touching down. This pause in the action is typical of accumulation you see after the dust settles on volatility, before things heat up again. I've identified a few key trend lines within this 2021 pattern development. I want to focus on the ascending parallel support and resistance lines that I've marked with key touch points. The macro support line begins in late 2020 and early 2021, and continues through the recent narrow trading range. I've marked two key points on the resistance line that began with a rebound high on February 9 and continues through the May 3 1620 mark. Currently, that resistance line would hit around 1972. Of course, this line is ascending, so more delay in a bullish breakout means that line intersection goes higher. There is also an upper resistance level that currently hits around 2720. This line is based on some cross-analysis between 2019 and 2021, which are matching segments in the long-term parabola. There is an intermediary line with resistance at around 945. The key levels preventing a fast ascension are in the 835 to 845 area, and around 940. Next, I'm going to take a look at some very intriguing options data that supports the likelihood that a bullish move is forthcoming. Traders have noticed a lot of recent institutional ownership filings in Ocugen. Most of these filings are based on holdings as of June 30. Fintel currently shows an institutional ownership ratio of around 25%, which is very high for Ocugen. Some firms filed several million shares, including BlackRock's 12+ million. I want to focus on an interesting filing on August 10 from Group 1 Trading, which was recently shared in our trading community at Avant-Garde. What makes this filing unique is that it includes large lots of both call and put options. Few institutional filings include options. However, this is commonplace for Group 1. You can see in this portfolio view, Group 1 has increased its financial holdings very quickly, from less than $10 billion in 2019, to nearly $83 billion as of August 10. Since the filing was for holdings as of June 30, I did some investigating to see if there might be some clues as to whether those options are still being held, and when they might come into play. This chart shows the price and open interest data on the $10 monthly calls that expire on Friday, August 20. On June 23, open interest was around 350. On June 24, open interest jumped to 7,200. It doubled to around 14,500 on July 7, roughly 6 weeks ahead of expiration. In contrast, no other options level for August 20 expiration has open interest over 5,000 currently, save for $15, which has over 12,000 open interest. Given the timing of the jumps in open interest, the recent Group 1 filings, along with a plethora of other institutional filings, it seems likely that an impending bullish power play is coming. Thanks for watching this daily chart analysis and options data dive on Ocugen. Please like and subscribe, and join our collaborative trading community at Avant-Garde.